Okay, today I am taking a big chunk of tree. This is birch, spalted actually, and roughing it into this shape, and then we will decide whether we're going to core the inside out or hollow it. People often ask me, why don't I make 2 to 3 part videos? Well, actually nobody ever asked me that, but this is the second in the trilogy of probably 5 videos about making a bowl, cutting the tree, etc. So if you're interested in watching that, stick around. Okay, now I'm going to just rough cut this on the bandsaw using this as a guide. And I'm going to stay pretty wide of this because I don't need super precision here. I just want to get rid of a little bit of the weight. And remember, bandsaws are really dangerous. Have your friends do this. Don't you do it. Now I take it and I got this one. I'll turn it back over, double check my center hole. So I think these are about 10 inches and they're pretty deep, so I'm going to see what we can get out of them, but I'm going to drill them on here and put them on the lathe and rough them out. I may core them, but then I may not. Might just be fun to just hog them out. Okay, I took and drilled a hole in here to the right depth and diameter. And then I got my biggest jaws to get a lot of support with the screw chuck. And I was just put these on by hand. I know you pros can whip it on, but that's dangerous. And we don't do anything dangerous. And bring this tailstock up. And you'll notice I always bring it up, lock it down, force it in. I've got clearance with the bed. I got that tightened up. Alright, a nice big bowl gouge. Make sure we're going slow. Basically 45, 45, 45. And take your ring off. At 285 RPM, I could go a little faster, but I don't want it to wobble. $560. And you can also notice I'm over here out of the line of fire. I'm standing between the tool rest and the camera, and I don't think anything's going to come zinging off or hurt me, but we're out of the way while we're doing something rough. See, that's nice and light, but it's going to come off in a second. You can hear almost round, but I'm not round yet. Ooh, and I got wormholes in there. That's pretty cool. Nice. Wow, wormholes. Didn't know Birch could get wormholes, but okay. Okay, that cut was just a practice. I brought it clear up on this edge. Nice big shear cut, the long neck of the blade. And I wanted to see if I could get a good cut without scratching the grain all up. And it looks like I can. I'll try it again. But I'm gonna leave this bowl big and straight up on the sides, because I want to make what's called a yarn bowl, which is almost like a calabash shape, kind of comes back in at the top to keep yarn in it, and then you drill a hole and scroll saw it down so that the yarn ball will stay in there while somebody's knitting. But let's put a foot on it and try that again. Oh yeah, that's gonna cut nice. Boy, that looks nice too. Wow, we got some spalt, we got some, we found some magic. Just my skew. Get me a nice dovetail. Although this stuff doesn't like getting straight. You can just hear that. That's just bouncing it. Hard grain to soft grain to hard grain to soft grain, and it's not cutting at all. Of course, I'm doing a scrape, so. Alright, well check out this one. It's got some spalting, some different flavor. And I got it ready to turn around. So now we're going to turn it back around and hollow it out. Okay, I need your help. Vote. This thing is, I don't know, 10 inches diameter. Should we core it out? Should we hog it out? Swipe right, swipe left. Alright, well thanks for watching. Vote down below in the comments whether you want me to hollow this out or core it out, and I'll show techniques probably for both of those. There'll be videos 4 and 5 in the trilogy.